So you decided you want to learn how you can make money with Momondo affiliate program. My name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review the Momondo affiliate program, and I'm going to also share with you the strategies on how you can make actually money with Momondo. Now Momondo is a great affiliate tool and a great affiliate program that you can use. But right before we're going to jump into it, what you can do is you can find the best affiliate programs that I use right now down below in the description. Also, I created a free masterclass in which I'm going to teach you how you can actually make money with affiliate and how I earn thousands of dollars monthly from the affiliate programs. So let's just start here. Let's jump into Momondo. So when we come here and we're gonna find affiliates, we're gonna go directly to Kayak. Kayak is an amazing tool that is like combining the hotels combined, Momondo and cheap flights together. And on all of that, you're gonna have it everything under one like group, I would say. Now here you see, once live, you can earn 50% commission on clicks, bookings, and ad revenue across each vertical, including flights, hotels, cars, and holidays packages. Track and grow, monitor your performance and earnings in real time on the portal. With data at your fingertips, it's easy to report on, learn, and scale your affiliate business. And you see right here that plenty of people are actually using that. You will earn a share of all revenue generated as a result of users that have been referred to one of our brands and partners through your website. In other words, and depending on relationship with our supply partner, you will earn commission on clicks, even clicks, that's really great. Bookings and ad revenue across each vertical, including flights, hotels, cars, and holidays packages. Now that's also like really good. And what you just have to do is just click sign up here. And when you would choose a company, and then you would just fill everything here. And when you're gonna fill everything here, like how it actually works is that you start promoting Momondo and how you can actually promote Momondo and whatever flight affiliates. So one of the best ways I think is like articles, YouTube videos in which you're gonna have and share how to get cheap flights from somewhere to somewhere, how to get a cheap flight to on article. Also what you can do and what I really like is if you would be creating TikTok videos in which you would be getting like email list with your landing page. And I have like also a tool down below in the description called System.io, which is really great for building landing pages. And you can definitely check it out because there you can create amazing landing page that can help you gather and get all the people, right, signing up. So then what you can do is when you're gonna have people on your email list, so you would use a tool called, let's say, System.io, and you have a link down below in the description. You can easily come here, start for free, and you would add an email address like this. Okay, and then you have to just like confirm it, and you can start creating landing page in which you would actually get a person and then you would send them email like, okay, we got the best these best offers right now. Or you can do it also best car rental in from, let's say, Vienna, Austria. And you're gonna find all the deals that you can actually get. And you can start creating content around it. Again, writing articles, the best car rental in, and you choose it down. Like I wouldn't actually focus on flights. I would go a lot on car rental and also for packages. And all of that you can actually learn. So that's something that I would do. That's something that is like really effective. And also you can go with stays here. So best hotels in, and I see it right here, right? And you can have also the comparison of hotels. That's something you can do. So I'm just registering for the System.io, and you can easily use that if you're going to use, let's say, create a content. And here you would just like start creating things here, right? So funnels, emails, blogs, and you can create a blog right here. So that's something you can do, and that's pretty much it how you can use it. So these are the ways how you can actually like promote Momondo. But if you want to know more, I created down below in the description a newsletter that you can join right now, and every week I'm sending like the best affiliate programs, how to promote things, how to promote affiliate tools, and all of that you will learn there. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.